If you sell products, promote services, or run ads online, this is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to create professional, high-converting UGC videos using AI.
With realistic voices, creators, and influencers. You can even use your own face.
And your own voice. Follow along, and let's build one together.
All you have to do is log into your account. You can see different options here. Start from an image. You can describe your character and create a character. You can build a character. You can also create your special influencer, which you can be using for your videos, or you can choose different images from the community already made images from this platform. Okay, let's change it to desktop so that I can see the interface properly. So click that section and then let's scroll down and click desktop site so that I can see the interface properly. So come to the menu. So you see UGC character, UGC add video, UGC image, UGC video. If you click all tools, you are going to see talking video, motion sync. These are different features of this platform. So let's go with UGC add video. This is where you upload your product image. You can upload directly from your system. You can upload with a link, or you can use the assets section. Let's go to Google and search for a product. So let's just make use of this vitamin C serum product. Click the share button and copy the link. So now let's click this link section. Since we are using link, click the link section. But if you have your own product, just upload your product, okay? I'm using desktop mode on phone, so I'll be zooming in and zooming out to see everything. But if you are okay with using mobile phone, you can go ahead to use mobile mode, okay? So now let's paste our link here in the link section. We have our product here. Select one of them. Click save. So let's zoom out to it, okay? So we have our product. Now you have to select your influencer. Now, if you created an influencer already, you come here and add the influencer you want to, you customize. But if you want to choose from the community, you choose this. So let's choose from the community so that I don't waste our time. So click select from library. So here you can choose. Let's see what we want here. Okay, let's take this. Okay, so we have it. Now we have to put our prompt. Now let's use ChatGPT to make our prompt to be very, very wonderful. Type all the things you want your ad to say, and then ChatGPT will make it better for you. Okay. Okay, there we go. Copy it. So now let's paste it in the prompt section. And then come to the voice section. Here you can add your own customized voice, or you take a select voice from the gallery here. So let's click add voice. Because of time, we don't have our own customized voice. These are different voices you can choose. Just click the play to see the one you like. After seeing the one you like, you can select it. Since we are using female, we can search for females. Okay, so that all the female voices will be displayed. Okay, it's done. Scroll down. Here you choose, okay, 9:16 or 16:8. So we are using 9:16. Now, how many video samples do you want to produce? You can choose here 1, 2, or 3. Let's just say 2. Then you have to click generate. Okay, it's generating. As you can see, it's generating. Okay, it's done. Let's choose one of them and see how it goes.
Guys, look at this glow. Seriously, my skin has never looked better. If you have dark spots or dull skin, you need this Rada Beauty Vitamin C Serum. It has 20% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. It absorbs so fast. In just a few weeks, my dark spots faded away. It literally gives you that healthy, radiant look. Don't wait on this. Grab yours today and get that glow.
Wow, did you see how smart and intelligent this AI is, what it gave me is far better than the prompt I gave it. So very, very smart AI. And this looks very real, very, very powerful. Okay, let's go for another feature. Let's check out the talking feature. Let's go to the menu. Click all tools. Click talking video. Once again, you can either use an influencer you've created, or use influencer from the gallery, or use influencer from the community. So let's just use one from this community without wasting our time. Let's use this one. Click it. Okay, it's selected. Now write a prompt of what you want the influencer to say. I've already copied a prompt here. You come down here, you choose your voice over. You can put your own customized voice over, or you just click choose from the gallery. So let's choose from the gallery. Okay, what we choose is female. So let's use our search bar again. Let's go for female. Let's look for female voice. Okay, select any one of your choice, click it, and it's done. Now here it says describe gesture. If you don't know what to describe, you can use ChatGPT to ask for what to describe. Okay, now let's paste the gesture here. Look, don't bother yourself about writing too much about the gesture, okay? The AI is very smart. Just give one or two information, the AI will do everything for you. It is very, very smart. Don't bother yourself thinking how to write script on all these things. Just say one or two things. AI will just do everything for you. Scroll down and click generate. You have to choose the dimension and also choose the number of videos you want to generate, okay? Don't forget that. Okay, it's done. Let's try it and see. Just click it. Let's zoom so that we can see. This is also where you can download it in case you want to download. Even in the first video we did, you can download it. Just scroll down and you see your download button here. If you want to regenerate, you can also click to regenerate, okay? You see the download button, you see the regenerate, recreate button. So let's play and see what we got, the result of what we just did now.
Hey, if you're struggling with dull skin or dark spots, you should try this vitamin C face serum.
You notice the talking video said exactly what was written, but the ad video have to intelligently present it in a very powerful advertising manner. This AI is very, very intelligent and wonderful. So kindly share your thoughts about this video in the comment section. Use the comment section and share your thoughts there. In the description box, you have the link to create your account free of charge. You are not paying anything. In the pinned comment, you also see the link to create your account. However, if you want more results, you want more capacity, you can buy a plan, okay? This is a monthly plan, but you can get the yearly plan at 50% discount, okay? So I will personally give you my AI tutorial course. People pay for this course, but I'm going to give it to you free of charge if you get the yearly subscription. All you have to do once you get your yearly subscription, message me, get in touch with me, and I will give you my free AI course, okay? You can improve your package by going for the pro or creator. It doesn't matter, anyone you subscribe for the yearly package, you let me know, I will give you my free course, okay? But if you don't have money, don't bother yourself. You can go ahead and create the free account and start creating your videos. Now, once you create your account, you will get free 30 credits. And once you create a video, you will also get another free 30 credits, all free of charge. So go ahead, create your account free of charge and get your free credits. Do well to like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. See you at the top.
I'm AI. Get any of the UC Video Yearly Plan with my link, and I'll give you my bonus tutorial on how to create AI characters like me for free.